You have probably heard that weekends don't matter if you're consistent Monday through Friday. Here's the problem with that: 2 days can undo five. I was consistent all week, 500 calorie deficit every day, Monday through Friday. That's 2,500 calories of fat loss. Then Saturday happened: brunch, a couple drinks, a late night snack. I asked Claude to calculate my weekly average. Friday night dinner out, 800 over maintenance. Saturday with brunch and drinks, 1,200 over. Sunday recovery meal and comfort food, 400 over. That's about 2,400 calories of surplus in 2.5 days. My net weekly deficit was just 100 calories. That's not a cut. That's just maintenance with extra steps. The math is brutal because the weekend eating doesn't feel excessive. You're not binging, you're just not tracking. And untracked days at restaurants average 40 to 60% more calories than you'd estimate. This doesn't mean never enjoy a weekend. It means pick one meal to go off plan, not 2 full days. A single maintenance day costs you 1 day of deficit, two costs you the whole week. You don't have a Monday to Friday problem. You have a Saturday to Sunday leak. Patch it, and the weekly average fixes itself.